Alright, YouTubes, be sure to like and subscribe. Anyway, here is the update on the 2019 Camaro SS1LE. So just keeping her in one piece. You tell me, how's it looking? Polished it up, they said. Pretty good. So I just got it back from the body shop. Hit a deer. It's got about 565 wheel horsepower at the top RPM. These are the extreme contacts. I like these. These are kind of like the best for dailying it. Yeah, well, here's the system here. And then you kind of had to shove it in there. But we were able to get the blow-off valve mounted up right this time, and just kind of best as we could do it. So that's the trick, is getting the blow-off valve right. So I had to move the blow-off valve a lot. At first it was up here, then we put it here where it is basically, but it was loud, and it was really loud. That's why I moved it in the first place. I just wanted that blow-off valve to be away from me, basically, be away from my ear. And finally, at the very last time we modded it, we even tried to route it into the airbox, and then I had to get a new airbox because that wasn't working. So it was that noise factor, and then they changed the tubing, and then the noise factor, then the whistling went away finally. We put it back in front. So anyway, word to the wise on that. The tubing on this guy, carb legal.
Huh?
Carb legal, remember all that, and the rat damage and everything? It's all fixed, everything's good.
That's a beast, I'll tell you.
Yeah, she shits and gets. So, yeah. Is it time to sell? Is it time to upgrade? What about a C8 ProCharged? Oh yeah, also, let's check out the back. Can't see it, it's a anti-grav battery, so that saves me a lot of weight. That basically saves me a third of a tank of gas and weight, just taking that out. So, you know, you have all this weight savings going on in racing or whatever, and then you're still running a lead acid battery, which is so, I'll fix that later. You're still running a lead acid battery, and that's so heavy. It's like ancient technology. Now all the Mercedes and everything, they do the lithium ion. So that's what I got now, and that's saving a lot of weight. So yeah, this is Lumar IR tint, infrared and UV. So you can still see through it, but tinted enough.
What are they? And up here.
But yeah, you think that, I think a wicker bill right here, like a nice little extension of the over here. Oh yeah, so what I also did was this. I did the, in which a Horsepower Obsessed suggested, with the black lug nuts, but that's key. And then also the Diode Dynamics LED side markers, not the Chinese ones, the legit ones. So yeah, I think that's a must as well with these. A little carbon fiber here, and as well up here, because when it's sunny, this chrome, which you can see like here, would just be shining right in your eye, and now it's at least covered by the black. So it's even shiny still, but it's way better than it was. And it's just nice to have a little bit more of a carbon fiber thing on a few things. I added this guy too on carbon fiber, just a little more protection and something a little bit warmer actually to touch. And then these for I put these in these side pads and door pads, and that's about it. Just keeping it lightweight. I would add a stereo and yada yada, but the Aston Martin Rolls-Royce roof would be cool, you know, all the stars, but I'm good. Just keep it stock mostly, you know, stock plus, you know what I'm saying? So anyway, that's where we're at with this guy. And yeah, that's the great thing about this is, like, you know, it's basically just as good as a ProCharged C8, but I still have a manual and a back seat and a trunk and front wheel or front engine rear wheel setup.